What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today is a huge day in the cryptocurrency space. Cardano ADA breaking 50 cents, hitting 55 cents, even up 25%. That can easily move upwards of $1 with any big announcements. We also got Binance BNB surging up 22% right now. Lots of other altcoins surging. Huge altcoin season starting right now. So in this video, I'm going to get into a couple altcoins that I'm going to be buying today and throughout the week. And I will get into some other crypto news as well. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. So I think we're seeing altcoin season really starting to kick off today, and I definitely think this is going to continue. As I've been saying, we're probably going to be seeing that $2,000 Ethereum and $50,000 Bitcoin very soon as well. And I do think a lot of profits will be flipped and spill over into other altcoins, with seeing Cardano ADA and Binance BNB up around 25% each today. Also, I'm bullish on a couple other Litecoins that are starting to go up. I will talk about in this video. So pretty much everything in this crypto space is in the green today, which is what we want to see for altcoin season. I definitely think a lot of new people are getting into crypto, finding altcoins they like. Everything's moving up in general. 0x here, ZRX, up 172% on the 7-day, just insane there. Lots of other altcoins up huge, 66% here for Graph. So Binance BNB coin today actually flipped Litecoin, and yesterday it flipped Bitcoin Cash. Binance BNB now at rank 8 in market cap. Pretty huge here. It did hit $10 billion market cap for the first time at an all-time high right now, closing in on $70. Pretty insane here. I think Litecoin is actually really undervalued right now. So I did flip some profits from other top 10 cryptos into Litecoin today, and I probably will be picking up more if we see any dips or anything, especially leading up to the PayPal crypto merchant payment launch. Litecoin is the cheapest coin on PayPal, around $150. So I do believe Litecoin here is one of the top 10 cryptos that has huge potential in the short term. Cardano, I'm still very bullish as well. That hit 50 cents for the first time today since the peak of the last bull run, and even hit 55 cents, now finding new support, but this could easily fly upwards of $1 with any major announcement. We haven't really had any major announcement yet, and Charles Hoskinson did hint at something major coming in February, and then we also got the Goguen mainnet coming in March. So Cardano is a solid hold throughout the entire 2021, which is why I'm just staking my ADA and collecting some passive income on that and accumulating more on the dips and everything, but that's just been flying upwards. So ADA is up about 10x at this current price from the beginning of summer 2020, where it was about 5 cents before the announcement of the Shelley mainnet roadmap. So huge progress since then. Still a pretty small market cap, $16 billion. When you compare this to other major companies and other major investment avenues, this is still very small, which is why a lot of people are claiming that ADA has huge upside potential. Many altcoins honestly do, especially the small cap cryptocurrencies that many people don't know about and are doing big things and will continue growing throughout the bull market, have massive potential as well. Those are the kind of coins that could do 50 to 100x. So I think Binance BNB still has huge upside potential as well with this recent news that we had. So Binance coin hitting its all-time high price. Something CZ said that's important here, all-time high on system traffic again. In fact, 3 all-time highs in the last 15 minutes. This does show a major flow of new buying demand coming to cryptocurrencies, and I do believe that's why we're seeing altcoins surging today. And platforms are so backed up that people are having to wait to be approved before they can even make their purchases. So I do believe buying pressure is going to continue trickling in as well. We're going to continue seeing a lot of altcoins moving up in general, in my opinion, throughout February. Lots of good news in general as well. So Binance is also working on a PayPal competitor, Binance Pay, with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. This was announced a couple days ago, which is another major thing why BNB could be moving up. So Binance is a massive platform. They're giving BNB as much utility as possible, but it is a major competitor to platforms like PayPal and Coinbase, so BNB will probably never be listed in these platforms. So besides Litecoin, I am buying some SparkPoint SRK today as well because it is down 13%. And they do have a major exchange listing coming at the end of the month. I do think people are just taking a risk here and dumping their SRK, trying to catch other profits before this major listing. But I'm going to take this as a buy-in opportunity So it only has a market cap of 10 million, which is extremely small. A quick disclaimer as well, I am a marketing advisor for this project, but I don't work hands-on with the team and I don't hear about major stuff until the same day as you guys as well. So this getting to the top 100 can easily put this at 15x and more at the current investment. It's a fraction of 1 penny per SRK coin, and there's only 7 billion SRK in circulation, as you can see here. And they are doing quarterly token burns as well. So this is a deflationary currency rather than inflationary, which is like fiat currency, where they continue printing more and more, and the total supply of the currency continues growing. So with SparkPoint SRK, they're burning tokens every single quarter, reducing the total supply instead of increasing the total supply. While the project grows, more demand comes to the project, and they get more products and utility for the token, and demand is rising while supply is shrinking. That should only push the price up over time. So another thing here is that initially they started with a total supply of 20 billion tokens. And as you guys can see, after all the token burns they've done in the last 2 years, it's now down to 14 billion. So starting with 20 billion, now down to 14 billion, that's a massive amount of coins they've burned, and they're going to continue burning coins. Their goal is to get down to 10 billion within the next 5 years. So burning a pretty huge amount of coins every quarter as product utility grows and the company grows should only push this up in price. So as you guys can see, it recently retested its all-time high price around 0.003 cents, and it did hit that price very briefly as well in August. So we got a giant cup here and handle, which is a pretty bullish technical analysis signal as well. If anything major comes, this can definitely shoot the price upwards here, especially leading up to this top exchange listing. Depending on what the exchange listing is, this can make SRK much more accessible to the public, which is good because currently it's only on a few exchanges here, including Uniswap is probably the easiest place to get it. But the fees on Uniswap right now are just crazy, so I think a lot of people are waiting as well on ERC20 tokens. So today I did buy Litecoin and SparkPoint SRK, two crypto projects on my radar that I think have huge potential leading up to the end of February. Especially with SparkPoint being such a low market cap, just insane the huge potential there. So keep in mind, every crypto in the top 100 was once an extremely small market cap like that. And basically it had to grow and develop products and the team and everything and start getting more investors to move up to the top 100. And I definitely think SparkPoint has that potential to be in the top 100 in the next couple years. And I do think every crypto in the top 100 is going to have a market cap of $1 billion or more by the peak of this current bull market. So not only do we have all-time highs of new user signups on cryptocurrency exchanges, but we're also having a lot of cryptocurrencies break their all-time high records pretty much day after day right now. For Ethereum, getting a lot of mainstream news here. On CNBC, Ether, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, hits a record high above $1,700 today. Massive news that's breaking news everywhere. So Bitcoin jumps above $38,000 as momentum flirts with key resistance levels. So I do believe it's very possible Bitcoin's going to break 40,000 again very soon if we keep this buying pressure up and the momentum keeps rising. I definitely think Bitcoin will be breaking that 40,000, which is funny because JP Morgan just stating that Bitcoin may never break 40,000 again, and here we are at 38,000 just a couple weeks later. More great news here. New crypto VC fund attracts Wall Street billionaires and LL Cool J. So we're getting breaking news like this every single day right now. Pretty much every major company out there is trying to get into cryptocurrencies right now in one way or another. Lots of new utility coming to the crypto space, a lot more accessibility as well, which is great. Recently, we had news of Visa announcing they will be doing cryptocurrency buying, selling, and transactions and everything, as well as PayPal and Venmo. And now we have Binance announcing their platform as well. So a lot more accessibility coming to crypto throughout 2021. So another thing I want to point out here is Bitcoin and Ethereum market caps together are nearly $1 trillion right now, only needs $100 billion more to be $1 trillion between Bitcoin and Ethereum alone, not including any other cryptocurrency in the space. So that's pretty huge. I do think the global market cap is going to start exploding, especially once we get into the real altcoin season. I think we could be breaking into the multi-trillion crypto global market cap very easily. And I do think during the peak of this current bull market, we will see multiple cryptocurrencies out of the top 10 at $1 trillion market cap or more alone. So for Ethereum, that would put it at a 5x from the current price. Pretty crazy, getting close to around $10,000. We would have ADA around at least $10 or more, closing in on that. Litecoin, I think, has the potential of hitting $1,000. So I will talk more about price predictions throughout 2021 in upcoming videos. I'm also going to be doing another video here on my cryptocurrency exit strategy. I'll probably be releasing that later tonight. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified about that. You should definitely have an exit strategy ready to go. Know where you want to sell and what your goals are with your investments, so then you can take profits when you are there instead of being unsure and then missing that chance. This actually happened to me in 2017. I had a good amount of crypto, around $5,000 worth, and it quickly went from around $5,000 to around $50,000 in a short period of time, just a span of a couple weeks. And I was very busy at the time, and everyone was saying it was going to keep going up. So I took a small amount of profit, but not as much as I should have. So it is good to have an exit strategy and stagger your sell-offs so you can take some profits in case it does crash. So we will be talking more about that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did find the video useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family that may find this content useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.